Today's motivation is about being the best version of you. Become the best person that you aspire to be. Discover what you are capable of and use the challenges within your life as opportunities to evolve and grow as a person. Because every choice that make you, shape you as a person, you have the power to create the best version of yourself. And at times you said, you know, I've met the right person at the wrong time, but there is never a wrong time. We always meet the right persons in our lives because there's a purpose for every person that you meet. They're either a lesson or they're a blessing, and they meet us as different levels of our lives. Levels could be to lift our standards or to build our standards, and for us to build boundaries as well. So remember this, that life doesn't give you the people you want, but it gives you the people that you need. So be the best version of yourself so you can continue to build others on your journey.